it's nice to find you again here in the Fred system. Now, if you want to know how to view the jobs listed in Dynamic Therapeutic Services, you will definitely learn that in this session. So stick around with me and soon you will be able to do it on your own. Now, first off, log in to Dynamic Therapeutic Services.info. Choose the Job tab and click View All Jobs. What follows is a page which gives you access to all the jobs and personnel assigned. There are even notes, job descriptions, duration, and rates. Also, you will know that currently there are 131 jobs listed in the system, and it's found here. So everything that you need to know is basically spelled out in this page. And for example, you want to insert or view notes on Julie's file, just click this link in order to be directed to a page which enables you to do so. Going back, let's focus our attention on this portion. The Fred system actually enables you to do a quick search on all the jobs listed in it. How? By clicking the drop-down box here. You can look through it by therapist, district, client, rehab, or job title. Now, of course, we know about the therapist, the district that you're interested in, the client, or the rehab. As for the job title, base your search here. So for example, we say administration. We key it in, choose job title here, and hit enter. So yes, it's all about keywords. See? And then below are other options on checking the missing client rate, therapist rate, pending jobs, or database errors. Okay, moving on. Remember that this page is for viewing active jobs. For inactive ones, click this feature. The indicator is this one, database record status, and it's written in red texts, inactive. Another thing that you can do is to insert a new job. When you arrive on this page, fill out the necessary spaces and click insert job. Those portions with asterisks mean that they should be entered or selected because they are necessary portions on this page. Okay, I have just shown you how to navigate the View All Jobs feature of the Fred system. Thank you for being with me today. My name's Anne once again, and until next time.